Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you one of my favorite topics, and that is how we can look expensive while wearing Zara pieces. I have to say that I honestly have a little bit of a love and hate relationship when it comes to Zara, but I'm gonna mention something about this a little bit later. Before I begin with all of these tips, how you can look expensive while wearing Zara pieces, I want to point out that Zara today is a fast fashion retailer, and that is something that is absolutely true. But I have honestly a little bit different approach when it comes to this fast fashion story in general. For example, once I decide to buy something from Zara, I honestly buy it with the thought of me using that piece for years and years to come. I don't buy a certain piece with the thought that I'm going to replace it. No, I tend to wear it for so many years to take care of it. And once you have this mindset when you're purchasing something from not just Zara but from any other fast fashion retailers, you won't contribute to that fast fashion the same way. So it is important to be a smart consumer after all. And if you're a smart consumer, it doesn't matter if you're purchasing something from Zara because you're going to wear it for years to come. So that is a really important tip that I wanted to put out there before I begin with this. Now let me start. When you decide to go check out Zara website, when you go to Zara store, you might find like so many different pieces like which you don't even need. So it is important before you decide to go to actually Zara website, to go to Zara store, to have a plan. You need to have a plan and shop according to your plan, and that will actually help you, like it will save you from all of those like pieces, trendy pieces. They don't necessarily have to be trendy pieces, but they might not be the pieces that you need. So it is important to have and to hold on to your plan, plan that is going to help you build your wardrobe, but that is going to be functional wardrobe. That is my tip number 2. Like if you're purchasing with a plan, you are going to build yourself a functional wardrobe, a wardrobe full of pieces that are so complementary with each other. Because once you build a complementary and functional wardrobe, you're always going to have what to wear. You won't be stuck with those moments of not knowing what to wear. And yeah, like as you can see in these examples, like I can style and combine all of these Zara pieces like super easily with each other. So yeah, I'm showing you all of my pieces that I have from Zara over here, and I really hope they might serve as some sort of a guideline. My tip number 3 would be go after all of those creamy and neutral tones. As you can see, like I have all of those exactly, like creamy and neutral tones. If your wardrobe is built on a functional creamy and neutral tones, that can also be like white, off-white, black, gray, navy blue also, like those sort of neutral tones, browns, I don't know if I mentioned it. But yeah, these sort of tones are going to be the basic of your wardrobe, just a capsule of your wardrobe. And once you build your wardrobe based on these pieces, then you can start thinking about what tone you can add to your wardrobe. So for example, I simply adore these creamy pants, this creamy top, and to me that just looks so expensive. Like all of these creamy tones style together, they just have something so like luxurious to them. Even though I purchased everything from Zara, like this top when I purchased it was, I don't even know, like I some not even like $15. Like I don't remember honestly the price. It was like so many years ago now. But this is what I want to say. When you purchase yourself a piece like that, it is going to reflect on your entire wardrobe, and that will make your wardrobe look so much more expensive. No matter how you style it, how you combine it, whether with black pants, as you can see, like I styled the same top with cream and black pants, and again it looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a paid, I don't even know how much for it, but it was just so affordable. But it is also important to say that once you build your wardrobe on these, based on these cream tones, then you can start adding slowly a little bit more color to your wardrobe, whether it's emerald tones, emerald green, some navy tones, some yellow tones, or some red tones. So like I have in this blazer, like this blazer can be styled, as you can see in this example, with these creamy pants, creamy tone, and a creamy top, and it looks just absolutely amazing. So this blazer can also be styled with white, but nevertheless it can be styled with black pants. So that is what I want to say. Like, sure, you build your wardrobe based on these creamy tones, but then once you think you have enough of those basic tones that are just the core of your wardrobe, you can then start adding a little bit of color. I'm not necessarily saying that every colorful piece is bad. It isn't. You just need to know how to style it with the rest of your wardrobe to be, again, complementary with all of those basic tones that you have. My next tip would be avoid all the trendy driven pieces, and once you go to the store or even if you check their website, you're going to see plenty of these, and you will know exactly which one is trendy driven, which one isn't. Like, even though if something looks like so cool, like some certain dress looks absolutely amazing, cool, this and that, but then that piece, like, sure, you can wear it for one occasion, but what about the rest of the year? So that is my point of the view. Like, I want to buy pieces that I can wear throughout the year, not just for one certain moment. And let's say now we are at the holiday season, so we have a lot of embellished shirts, embellished dresses, with so many sparkly glittery details. You have to be so careful when it comes to these pieces, girls. I can't stress it enough, because you can just buy yourself without thinking exactly. Like, yeah, you see it, it's all glittery, don't get me wrong, I am someone who absolutely adores glitter, sparkly details and everything of that sort. I simply adore it, but can I wear it throughout the year? That is the question you need to ask yourself. Can I wear it with my favorite pair of pants? Can I wear it with the jeans? Can I wear it with this pant, that pant, with the skirt? Like, you need to ask yourself all of those questions, because yeah, you can easily buy something that is just so trendy. Sure, you can wear it for a one night out during now holiday season, but then it is just going to be in your wardrobe. You won't have a use of it, and these sort of pieces are the ones that are contributing to the fast fashion. Instead, if you hold on to those classic, basic staples, pieces that, let's say, a shirt that you can wear with your favorite pair of pants, then that sort of a shirt is definitely going to be there for you and for your wardrobe for years to come. And again, I'm going to use the example of this other, let's say, shirt now. Again, this is a champagne shirt that I purchased in ZARA so many years ago, and it has that satin sort of a vibe. It has this champagne tone with a little bit of lace detail. This sort of shirt can be also worn now during the holiday season, but regardless, it can also be worn throughout the year. So that is what I want to point out. Look after these sort of pieces that can be worn even now, like during holiday season, but then again throughout the year. And honestly, that is how I am building my wardrobe. Building a wardrobe is a process. Building your wardrobe in ZARA is a process. You want to instantly find everything you love, so that is why I said I do have my love and hate relationship when I purchase in ZARA, simply because, let's say, spring summer season I would literally love everything, but then once autumn season comes, I don't like literally not a single piece over there. So yeah, it takes the time to build your wardrobe in ZARA if you're purchasing over there, but just be mindful of the pieces you're purchasing. If you follow every step that I just mentioned, you are going to build your wardrobe in ZARA that looks so much more expensive, with such an effortless and a luxurious note to it. And finally, my last tip would be that you need to take care of your clothes. So just because you're buying from ZARA, if you purchase some sort of a knit sweater that was I don't even know, 20, 25, 30 euros, whatever the price is, regardless of the price, the price doesn't matter over here. What matters is how you take care of it. You need to wash it on the proper temperature, so don't wash your sweaters on, I don't even know, 100 degrees. Just read all of the read everything that is written, how to treat your clothes, if you can iron it or not, and those sort of things. Of course, also try to prevent your cat to get onto your favorite pieces, because yeah, I had those troubles before. Or also you need to be careful not to have some red sock with with you washing your creamy pieces. So yeah, these are all the things that you need to take care of. Just keep your clothes stored nicely, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, that is what I wanted to point out. I'm totally aware that Zara is a fast fashion retailer, I'm not going to deny that, but it comes down to us how we treat those pieces. So yeah, girls, that would be it in today's video. I really hope that you find some of these guidelines quite useful of how you can build your wardrobe in Zara that looks expensive. Please let me know down below, do you purchase in Zara, and are you managing to avoid all of the trends? So yeah, that would be it in today's video. Thanks all for watching, have a nice wintery days, and I see you next time. Bye!